Hello everyone from Dr. Filippo. Chiropractic can improve your strength. Research proves it. And I've attached the research to this video. Between 16 to 60% of your strength can be improved. Isn't that amazing? Now, how does it work? How can your muscles be strengthened? Well, the question is, what control your muscles? Your central nervous system control your muscle, which is your brain and your spinal cord. Now, what protects your central nervous system? Your skull and your spine. So if a bone in your skull or in your spine is not moving well, it means that the message to your muscles is not as good as it should be. And that's a subluxation. So when you get adjusted by your chiropractor, that connection is improved and the strength as well. Here we go. From Innate Wellness Chiropractic, helping your body do what it does best. Happy reading.